Hello people on YouTube. Today we are going to ask ChatGPT what is the importance and function of UV in project management in developing AI agents. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT OpenAI what will be the answer. In project management developing AI agents. UV unique value plays a crucial role in defining project strategies, advantages, and ensuring its success. Here's how it's function and why it's important. Importance of UV is AI agent development, differentiation from competitors. In a crowded AI landscape, defining the unique value helps position your AI agent distinctly from existing solutions. It ensures that your AI model is not just another chatbot or automation tool, but has a clear competitive advantage. Okay, alignment with business goals. AI project must align with the broader organizational objectives. Identifying the unique value ensure that AI agent contributes meaningfully to business growth. Okay, resources optimization. AI project demand high computational power, data resources, skilled workforce. Defining UV helps in prioritizing critical features, reducing waste of time and resources. So market fit and user adaptability. If an AI agent does not provide a unique solution to a user problem, it may struggle to gain adaptation. The unique value and UV proposition ensure that the AI model is user-centric and market fit. So function of UA in AI agent development. It is going to be guide product development. So UV help in the defining the core functionalities and decision making for AI model training and development and refinement. Ensures that development teams focus on features that create real impact rather than unnecessary capabilities. So it also has a strategic planning and roadmap. It has stakeholder communication, investment justification, AI aesthetics and compliance consideration. You can also read that from ChatGPT. It is going to be the best answer of all the time. If you have question in your mind, what is the importance of UV? A strong UV framework ensures that AI models are built with fairness, bias reduction, and transparency in the mind. So in summary, UV is an AI project management that ensures AI agents are innovative, market-driven, resources efficient, and aligned with business objectives. Without a clear, unique value, AI project risk being generic, unsustainable, misaligned, and real-world needs. So it will be the importance of UV. We have importance into starting our project and building AI agents right now. So we will be seeing in your next video.